present you and unbox you for you one of my biggest sketch of all times. This is really a dream piece for me, a really legendary piece, one from the Holy Trinity. What is the Ocean Constantine, the Audemars Piguet, and the Patek Philippe. So inside the box we have got here a Patek Philippe watch. Finally, it's part of my collection, and let's start with the unboxing. As you see here, there is a very nicely done and really cool paper outer box covered with some kind of leather feeling material. If we remove that, inside we find the inner box, and we find a beautiful cleaning soft textile, what is also a bag of the inner rosewood wooden box. Open like it, and we can remove the bag, and inside we find the cool, amazing, shiny, lacquered, great box. Before that, we did some bucklets. Everything is in this cool leather book, like a wallet. Huge and great quality. We have got here a certificate. Of course, we have got here a nice manual and instructions, and some other papers. And I like the certificate. This is so cool. So here is the wooden inner box. Everything is nicely done here. Even on the little opener there is Patek Philippe written, and we can open it like this. Look at those chrome, highly polished feet under the box. This is ultra luxury. Let's open it. And we find the watch. Amazing leather inside. Patek Philippe texture there. High-end stift, what is held in the box. This is so nice. As you see, this is a Patek Philippe Aquanaut. This is the latest version of the black edition. Reference number is 5167A-001. The case is 40.8 millimeter of stainless steel, and the band is a rubber band. Patek Philippe call it tropical. This is cool. Alright, so the watch is from 2017, so this is 3 years old. But as I mentioned before, this is the latest version of the black Aquanaut. I guess this is in great condition. And the watch is absolutely gorgeous. I must tell, for the first sight, this is just the watch. So this is a watch, nothing more, for the first sight. And then you will realize this is, yes, this is a watch, but a perfect watch. So lightweight, so sporty and elegant, so flat. Thickness of the watch is only 8 mm with an automatic movement inside. So simple but so nicely done. The dial is textured, the numerals or the indexes on the dial made from white gold. The hands, the indexes, everything is perfectly done. This is really an art of watchmaking. The rubber band is fitted with the case perfectly. No gaps here, what is unique. It's made most of caoutchouc, I guess, but I'm sure there are different elements inside. We have got here this butterfly clasp, beautifully done, so lightweight, it's so cool, with the huge Patek Philippe logo on it. The watch is worn, so you see some scratches over there, and there you can see the beautiful movement of Patek Philippe with a huge solid gold rotor, and there you see the balance wheel and bridges and plates. The watch is really accurate, I love it, and nicely decorated and hand finished. Also the watch is 120 meter water resistant, what is in these dimensions 8 millimeter highness. It's really cool, if you ask me. This is how it looks on wrist. So this is just a watch, a sporty and elegant watch, and the perfect watch. Absolutely comfortable to wear, and thanks to the highly polished parts, for example on the bezel or at the edges of the watch case, and the white gold edges of the sticked numerals on the dial, this piece is shiny too in sunlight. And if we are talking about light, because of this is a sport watch, this has got really strong lume. I will show you that. Now you see, super strong, with the loomed numerals and indexes and hand. It's absolute cool and really unique in the luxury watch market, if you ask me. So this is it, a watch based on the famous Aquanaut, the famous Nautilus design, designed by Gerard Genta, legendary designer. This is similar, but of course not the same. One day I made that mistake, I called this Aquanaut the cheap man's Nautilus, but that is absolutely not true. Sorry, this is a sporty watch from the Patek Philippe collection, and the movement inside, what is the 324 SC automatic movement caliber with 84 hours of power reserve. So the movement is exactly the same what Patek Philippe use in the base Nautilus, the 5711. So this is also not a cheap Patek Philippe. Of course it's cheaper, especially on the second-hand market, mainly because of the rubber band, but trust me, this piece is really cool. I will love it. By the watch is 42 millimeter, sorry, by the way the watch is 42 grams, so absolute lightweight, like a titanium watch or a ceramic piece. This is amazing, and this is thanks to the ultimate perfection of Patek Philippe watchmaking capability, because also the movement and the case, even in stainless steel, are super compact. And in these dimensions, the high-end finish, especially you can see on the movement, is something what we can call high-end watchmaking. This is it. I cannot tell more of this watch because this is cool and full of feelings. So thank you for watching and see you later.